Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if the sound's not available on Instagram Reels video after download problem. If you're experiencing a problem with sound not being available on Instagram Reels videos after downloading them, try the following steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, you need to check the sounds, or you could also try restarting the app after you open it. Simply just close it off. Or you could also try update the app, go to the Play Store, and in the top there's a search option over there and look out for the Instagram and open it and make sure that you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. You need to go to the App Store on your device for the iOS or the Google Play Store for the Android and simply update it. Also check your internet connection, ensure that you have a stable internet connection when they're downloading the reels. Poor internet connection can sometimes cause issues with the video playback as well. Or you could also try re-downloading the video if the sound is not available. Try re-downloading the Reels video. Sometimes the download process may not be complete properly, leading to the missing audio. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a problem with the video itself or the more specific issue with Instagram app on your device. In that case, you may want to reach out to the Instagram support assistance. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.